When was the last time you called someone for no reason at all? You know, usually when you hear from a friend or someone who you haven't heard from in a long time, sometimes your mind goes, hey, how come he's ringing me? I wonder what he wants. And I have this friend who just called me a little while ago. His name's Abdul Nasser. And one amazing thing about him is that he just calls me randomly. And when he calls, he says, look, Muhammad, I just thought I'd give you salam. I just thought I'd find out how you are. Now, this is amazing to me, because in the old days, I think people had a lot more time and care for each other, and people don't really do that anymore. Nowadays, everyone just kind of calling you for a reason. But he's got this wonderful habit, which I wish I had, where he just calls people randomly and he just says, you know what, I was just remembering you, I just wanted to say salam, find out how you are. And I think this is an amazing, amazing quality that if we did this for others in our lives, I think we'd have an amazing community. So it's a reminder for you and for me to let you know that there's amazing people out there who actually care for you as a person, and they don't want anything in return. They just want to say salam, they just want to care for you, and I think this is something we should all embrace. JazakAllahu khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.